recognized a need in the community for a secure memory care unit. And we originally had it at a different spot in the building, and we came together as a team and kind of found a new placement that would work better for the dementia patients. It has a wide variety of new developments that we put on the unit. It has a totally enclosed courtyard so the residents can enjoy the sunshine and the weather in the summertime. We also created a lot of nooks for the residents with different needs, so a nursery, a bus stop, different lounge areas for them. And then we created a sensory room for the residents for people who are maybe overstimulated and need to just calm down and relax, and the staff members can take them into the sensory room.
Wonderful. And can you, last question, can you talk about the response from either the patients or the families?
Yeah, so the families absolutely adore the unit. They say how wonderful the new space is. There's a lot more room for the patients to kind of walk around, families to meet and have gatherings. The community seems to love it as well. We have a lot of community referrals and a wait list that go onto that unit.